Go to Accept Delivery and select appropriate FOC delivery. After updating invoice or delivery note, delivery price can be changed to 0 for free of charge product S. Manual order can also help to set up free of charge deliveries. Set up a manual order and accept the delivery with a 0 price. To modify previously accepted deliveries, go to List Deliveries option and ensure the period must be open where need to make changes. Modify the delivery with the help of Edit button and change the prices to 0 for FOC product S.